New topic. And I've asked Jackie to help me here. Jackie, no, just sit right there.
All right.
Could you, if you would, give me an operational definition of a peanut butter sandwich?
Operational?
Yeah.
Supply the body with fuel for...
Okay. And how would you make one of them?
I would put it on bread.
Okay, so I got me some bread. Okay, and got me some peanut butter. Is that a peanut butter sandwich? Help me out, Jackie.
Close enough.
Okay, no. She's pretty relaxed about her sandwiches. So, what should I do to make that peanut butter sandwich there?
Yeah, open the peanut butter jar.
Okay, open the jar. What?
Use your opposable thumbs.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Open jar.
Okay.
Find utensil
Okay, I found a utensil.
of appropriateness. And spread on single piece of bread.
Okay, so I want a single piece of bread. Are you married? Okay. So I spread it with a knife.
Onto.
Okay. Okay. Just spread it on the bread.
And put on bread. Apply.
Okay. How am I doing, Jackie?
Great.
Now, you can see that I'm going out of my way to try to misunderstand Jackie's instructions. And that's to make a point. A Webster's dictionary definition might be like she gave at first. But an operational definition in science is a recipe, a list of steps through which you can either create or measure the thing that you are defining. Okay? So it is a recipe. Now, that recipe has to be so clear and so concise that an intelligent reader or listener cannot possibly misunderstand it. You have to write it in such a way that there's no way you could end up with something that doesn't look like a peanut butter sandwich. A good way to test an operational definition is to read it to a friend over a phone. And if they end up making the same thing you made, it's a good definition. Now, an example of this, in 1987, I started working at Lawrence Livermore National Labs. And shortly after that, Pons and Fleischmann at University of Utah announced to the world that they had achieved cold fusion. They had been able to fuse small atoms together at room temperature. All work at Lawrence Livermore stopped. Everyone tried to duplicate their results. And what it became apparent after several months that no one in the world was able to duplicate their results. Now in business, if you can do something that no one else can do, you're a genius. You're a Steve Jobs. In science, if you can do something that no one else can duplicate, you're a moron. Okay? You made a mistake. And it was the O group at the Lawrence Livermore Labs that figured out where Pons and Fleischmann made their mistake, how they had misinterpreted their data. Okay? Now we're going to use operational definitions to build up the physics of kinematics. But not today. We've run out of time. So have a good 3-day weekend and we'll finish this sandwich when you get back. Thank you, Jackie.